I congratulate all Kenyans who bought the Tanzanian tickets. Please, but don't buy it and stay home. If you know you bought a ticket for the Morocco versus Tanzania, please avail yourself in Benjamin Mkapa Stadium. Please make sure you travel and go and support Morocco. Just remember, I like the banter that is there between us, Uganda and Tanzania. On a serious note, if I was to take sides, of course I'll take Tanzania as a member of East Africa community. But if they are going to make fun of us the way they have done, afadhali Morocco basi. So if that is going to happen, I'll be very happy if it is Tanzania versus Kenya in the finals and it's Nairobi. Just imagine Tanzania qualifies to the finals and Kenya qualifies to the finals and it's Nairobi. Yeah, so that will be the best moment for us because for the sake of Tanzanians who may get what I have said, and I would love to speak in Kiswahili so that they understand. I will say that if it happens that the game will be Nairobi, tutacheza kwa Kiingereza. Ndio wasielewe game yetu.